Hi everyone, this is V and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you my monthly spread for the month of July. If you're interested in watching, please continue to watch. So as you can see, I actually have everything already set up just so this video won't be so long. I went on and entered in like my paydays, which you can see is going to be on the 7th and the 21st. I also included some of the bills that I have that I am responsible for paying for the month of January. And so on this spread, I will actually be setting up the actual monthly budget. And this is what I did was, since this planner is just actually a life planner, not a budgeting planner, I set up the bills that are scheduled for the first paycheck of the 7th and the ones for January 21st. I'm at the bottom. So as you can see, you may see some of the items at the bottom of the budget sheet as a duplicate. That's because those are bills that will come out on the second paycheck of the month. So right now I have my chime, which is basically fund money that I use, my credit union, savings, project, cable, Amazon Prime, my federal student loan, my storage, Apple, one of my student loans, Navient, cash envelopes, and my sinking funds. And then for the next pay cycle, I'll have to include my discovery, which is truck insurance, light bill, which includes the lights, and of course some excess trash that we put out. So the bill is kind of high due to those various reasons, and plus the temperature is cold. Cell phone, which is scheduled to be paid next month, gas bill, and then again cash envelopes and another sinking fund for the second paycheck. Over to the right, you can see where I set up the debt that I'm going to pay, which is the credit union. That current balance is roughly almost 5,000, but it's 4,957 and 66 cents. Once I have the payments, I am going to post the payments here to show what I posted, any extra that I'm going to pay on the account, because that's the goal. You'll see that in the goals video. That's something that I'm focusing on, is trying to get this paid off. So that's going to be in that debt category. For savings, since it's the new year, Happy New Year's to everyone. It's going to be a starting balance of 0, and then I will add, like I said, I'm going to do $40 bi-weekly. So I'll be adding in a deposit of $40 per bi-weekly to the savings account, and then I'll include that in that space on the template. So I'm just going to go in here and just calculate to see what actually is the total expenses that I have for this month, and whatever I have left over. And what I typically do, even though I do a zero-based budget, I leave whatever amount is in the green, and I leave it open just because if any type of emergency happen, any type of miscellaneous, any hiccups, I'm going to take that out of that money. And then once I can say, okay, everything is done, the month's over, whatever, then I use that money to make sure I pay on the bill that I'm trying to pay off for that particular month. So let's see. Right now it looks like we're looking at possibly $2,375.34 as the total expenses for the month of January. And so I'm going to just deduct that from my monthly income of $3,284.64. And it should leave me projective of $909.30. And like I said, that 909 is technically not there, but it's there until I pay off everything before I start paying extra on the credit union. That's my goal. I'm trying to pay off. And so that's basically it for this monthly budget layout. I just want to do something simple so you guys can see it. Oh, but I did forget. I do have the sinking funds template, and I am going to be still saving the $40 bi-weekly for the taxes. And so that's going to be added on here as well. All right, you guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.